What's going on, guys? We got another video. Thanks for tuning in. We're back in Corpus with work. It is Monday, around 7:30. Long day. It was around 92, 93 degrees, kind of hot. But we're looking for Marge. Check that out. We are looking for Marge, the Simpson plush. See what we got here. They do got several of the 5-inch figures. Got two down here. I haven't picked up this set. I think I'm gonna get it. This one looks pretty crisp. We'll get that one. So yeah, we're back in Corpus working. Hopefully I'll saw my other videos with the hunt for Marge in the Rio Grande Valley on my day off. No luck. We did find Maggie. Let's see. Oh, look in there, guys. Oh, yeah, we hit. It's been about what, 4 weeks we hadn't found her. I'm gonna pick her up. So I got the complete set. Picking up the 2.5-inch figures. Oh shit, dropped. It's all good. Check out this Beetlejuice. Got that at $10.99. Let's check out the die cast. Yeah, I'm pretty stoked. Yeah, it is a packed house here today. Everyone's looking for toys today. Let's see what else we got, guys. Put Marge down. My bad. Oh, check that out. That's sick. But pretty sure that's what's $39.99. Yeah, that is sick. Batman versus Bane. McFarlane, really detailed. Really detailed. We got the Joker punchline. Yeah, feel free to comment if y'all want me to cover anything else in the toy section. I have no problems with that. I am hunting down the Simpsons stuff, but since I'm here, I don't mind looking at other figures for y'all. Just comment below and feel free to let me know. Got a Ninja Turtles Transformer. Yeah, I couldn't show too much excitement because the aisle was full when I pulled Marge, but yeah, let's go. Got her. But yeah, guys, I'll probably put this video together with another one. I gotta go. It's dinner time, so I'll catch y'all later.